All right, triangle ABC. AB is smaller than BC is smaller than AC. List the angles from least to greatest using the inequalities. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and label. AB is the smallest, so there's the smallest. BC is the next smallest, so that's the medium. Yes, that's an M. And AC is the largest, so this is the largest. And remember, they are across from their corresponding angles. So C is the smallest angle, which has to be less than M is across from the A. A is your next smallest, which is across from your largest side, which is across from B. Therefore, that, and I'll clean that up, is your statement. This is angle C is smaller than A, which is smaller than B. They're in order. All right, what are the two triangles in the diagram? Are the two triangles in the diagram below similar? If yes, justify your answer and write a similarity statement. Similar, in this case, the answer is yes. Here's why. If these are parallel lines, then that is a transversal. So that angle and that angle is congruent. And this is a transversal, which means that angle and that angle are congruent. And both triangles share this one. They share this angle, so that has to be the same. So they all have the same angle. So yes, no. So we're going to say by corresponding. It's weird to say by corresponding, but because of corresponding angles. And remember, we have to put these in order. So if I go L, N, Q, so L, N, Q, I have to follow the correct ones that go with it. L goes with the M, N goes with the, well, it's also an N, and Q goes with the P. Now, I mean, you could do those any ways you want. So if I did P and M for one of them, I could do similar to Q and L. Basically, all I did was because I did P to N to Q to M, and then I did Q to N to L. So again, you can do, there's a couple ways to do it, but you got to keep them in order. All right? Anyways, let's keep going. 11, 12. Solve for x. Is this the last one on the page? Yes. Number 12. Solve for x. Oh, this is the heartbeat rabbit. Again, this is a right triangle. Right there, that's a right triangle. With an altitude forming a perpendicular line. So this follows the heartbeat rabbit. You have three triangles. You got one there, you got one there, and you got one here. On the outside, I meant to do that in blue. They are all similar. So here's the deal. They gave us the middle, so we're going to do the heartbeat. Boom, 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 beep. Let's do that right. Beep. So it will be 9 divided by x equals x divided by 12. 9 over x, x over 12. That's the pattern. And then cross multiply and divide. 9 times 12 is 108. X times x is x squared. Therefore, x equals the square root of 108. Which I don't feel like doing the rest of that in my head. I don't have the time for it. But, well, 108 is not divided by 9. Is it divisible by 36? Yeah, it is divisible by 36. So that would be 6 on the square root of 3 equals x. The reason for that here, we're not asking you to reduce this right now, but 108 is 36 times 3, which equals x. And 36, the square root of 36 is 6, so that's 6 on the square root of 3 equals x. Again, we're not asking you to do that yet, at least not that I know of. And yeah, let's keep going. Oh, hold on the video.